Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and okay and staying safe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Bella and we love to have fun, and we do a bit of everything on my channel, from vlogs to makeup tutorials and to just fashion hauls, and you know the drill, you know all that jazz. So if you would like to join the family, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't just watch and go about your business. Please click the subscribe button and then click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do upload. And to my old subscribers, you know you guys rock. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. And yeah, so today's video, go ahead and show you guys my all-time favorite nude lip combination. So nude, if it's not nude, I don't want to know. So it could be brownie nude, pinky nude, but it's just got to be nude, you know, and the lips has to be glossy, dripping. But yeah, anyways, without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my all-time favorite lip liner. It's by MAC and it's Chestnut. I feel like every girl, everyone should I say, needs this in their makeup kit. So it's a nice deep chocolatey brown, and I use my Chestnut to line my lips, and as you guys can see, it's very nice and chocolatey. The first lip gloss I'm going to try on is Ginger Snap by NYX. I mean, this is so beautiful, like so rich. It's like more on the like brown, dark brown side, but it's so nice. It's really nice, especially on people with deeper skin tone. It's really complement the skin, and even people of, you know, lighter complexion as well. It's just, and that's just one coat. Can you guys see? It's so rich. It's so you just need a little bit. So the next one I'm going to try is my absolute favorite. It's such a nice nude. Like, it's not too light, it's not too dark, it's just perfect. And yeah, so I'm going to first put it on without any liner, just so you guys can see how beautiful it is on its own. And oh, didn't tell you guys the name. So the name of this lip gloss, again by NYX, is Madeleine. Madeleine is the So this is what Madeleine looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Line my lips a little bit, just to show you what it looks like if you line your lips. It's really nice. Lip gloss I'm going to try again from NYX is Tiramisu. So Tiramisu, it's like a pinky nude, but not that bright pink, like in your face pink. It's such a nice, like mellow, really nice pink. So I'll go ahead and put it on so you guys can see. It's really nice. Sometimes I tend to put it on top of my Madeleine, just to like mix it together. So, and then together, these two together, it's really nice. So this is what Tiramisu looks like. So just go ahead. Can you guys see? Pinky nude, the only pink, you know, pinky nude that you need in your makeup kit is so nice. It's not too bright, like I said, and then it's not too dull. It's just in between, and it's so nice. And when you mix it with like the brownie nudes, amazing. We're gonna go ahead now and I'll show you my other favorite from KIKO. So these are the only lip glosses, like the NYX and the KIKO ones that I really love, and I use them on a daily basis. Sorry guys if my makeup is like you know, all patchy, because it's about what, 11 in the evening, and I've had this makeup since like 1 this morning. Went to the park, it's really hot, I've got a cold, been blowing my nose, so just can't be bothered to like touch up, because I'm going to take it off to go to bed, but I'm just like doing this video. So anyways, let's move on. The KIKO ones, this is what they look like. It's the 3D Hydra lip glosses, and for the life of me I think I kind of know offhand which is which, but because it's faded on the back, like the numbers are usually there, but as you guys can see, as we can see together, it's no longer there, so it's faded. But I think this is 06 and that's 03. So 06 is like a little bit chocolatey, it's more like intense, and then 03 is like, you know, in between pink and like brownie nude. Really nice, and them two together, amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the 06 for you guys. I will confirm and then put the numbers on the screen somewhere here, but I think this one is 06. So let's go ahead. This is one of my favorites as well. Yep, that's all you need. So if you want to wear it like on its own, you can go ahead and do that. And if you want to line your lips again with a brown lip liner like the Chestnut or the 321 by KIKO, amazing, like really nice. Try the 03. So sometimes when I want my nude lips to be more prominent on my lips, I go ahead first and like put a little bit of concealer, like the concealer I would use to like highlight under my eye. The concealer that I would use to highlight under my eyes, I would just put like a little dot and then blend it, and then go ahead and put my nude lip gloss of my choice. So that just helps, you know, to make it, you know, pop out. So I'm going to go ahead and then just apply the 03 on my lips. So this is the 03. As you guys can see, it's a little bit lighter than the 06. So this is more of like a pinky, yeah, pinky nude. It's so pretty. Like I said, like when you have a full face of makeup and you put this on, it's really nice. So what I tend to do, sometimes I wear them on their own, but most of the time I tend to mix, because I can't just wear it on its own. I tend to mix like my nude lip glosses, and then I'll go ahead and add like a clear lip gloss on top just to make it dripping. But yeah, these lip glosses are so good. So the last one I'm going to try, it's new in my collection, but I love it as well. It's this brown. You have the brown here, there. So it's by Chanel. That's the clear gel, just to top it up, put it on top of the brown lip gloss, and that's the brown lip gloss. So this as well, it's so nice. I remember I saw it on the girl that works for Chanel, and she's really light, but when she had this brown on, it was so beautiful. I was like, what, you know, what was she wearing? And she told me it was by them, and I went to try it on myself, and I was like, nah, I have to buy it. It's so and this is what it looks like, guys. So pretty, like it's really pretty, and I feel like you see the beauty of it more when you have like a full face, like your face is beat, like proper beat, and then you put this on. Oh my god, it's a game changer. It's really nice. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this on my channel, then do leave a comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video, but in the meantime, stay safe and ciao.